Hello, 706 students. Dr. P coming to you from the home office. I do have connectivity and an office to work from now. It's a great thing. It was good to be with you this weekend. Good to meet some of you and to get to know you better, really. I want to emphasize the readings for this week, the things that are important for you to focus on this week. I want to mention a couple dialogue posts, get you thinking about the evidences a little bit, and also review some of the rubrics that are in the course assessment tab over here. But big deal for me, again, is to suggest to you that if you log in and do this stuff in the week-to-week assignments, each week, if you bite off and chew this elephant one bite at a time, it can be digested. That's my suggestion to you. So in week 2, here's my informational video in just a minute. There are readings, the Hall and Hoard, chapter 2. You should have read 1 and 2 for prior to the weekend, but if you didn't, Hall and Hoard, you heard the intro from Dr. Sabin. You should be reading some of the Graham and Fairder if you have not, and respond, please, to dialogue posts concerning implementing change chapter 2. The other dialogue posts are to get you thinking about and looking at resources for the FCEP and PLPB. So do those things, please. Think and write and look about the evidences and keep up with those dialogues this week. Now, I did meet with the other instructors. One of the important pieces that I brought away that I wanted to emphasize to you is to make sure that you're looking in course assessment at the way you will be graded in this course, and also that the rubrics are clear. We took a little bit of a look at the peer review, or I'll circle back to the peer review rubrics when it's time for peer review. We looked at some of the evidence descriptions and rubrics. Look here, please, and also look at the resources for the FCEP this week. I mentioned the facilitation rubric. I think there is also a rubric that your discussions are going to be rated 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is the rubric that will be used. And timeliness is important too. A collaboration rubric we'll use perhaps in class, but the facilitation rubric is how you'll be rated on those presentations for disrupting class. So remember that you do have a partner and an assignment to do next time for disrupting class. I will create a I'll post something about that, please, to remind you, but 35 to 40 minute presentation for next time on disrupting class. Hang in there. You have a month before we meet again, but a lot of work to do in the meantime, getting started, thinking about your evidences, and bite and chew the elephant one bite at a time. Thanks. Have a great week.